I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing more enjoyable than being able to present a beautiful meal with a beautiful, elegant dish set.
This is from Daniks ceramic dinnerware set. I love the simple white color. It is heat resistant, so you can put it in the microwave. You can put it in the dishwasher. Whether you're sitting down, the two of you, for a meal, it's so nice to have a beautiful set that you can sit down to and enjoy a delicious meal. The knives or the silverware didn't cause any scratches on it, and it was so easy to clean up. They are strong plates, but also thin and dainty so that it is easy to stack up and let air dry. Everything about it just together looks so nice and creates even a nice little design. The little bowl that it has is perfect for little snacks, a salad, anything. There's just going to be an extra thing for your main meal. It has another small plate and then a big plate that holds easily an entire meal. It also comes with a bigger plate that you can do a lot with, serving chips, dessert, popcorn, anything that you might need as a side. And it stacks so nicely, which is great for easy storage.
I really enjoyed using it. It's so easy to use, so easy to care for, and that's my point of view.